Hi all, welcome to the new video. Menstrual Hygiene Day is an annual awareness day observed every year on May 28. It is to highlight the importance of good menstrual hygiene management at the global level. This day is also called as MSD or MS Day. This was first initiated by a German-based NGO, non-government official, WASH United in 2013, and it was first observed in the year 2014. WASH means WSH, water, sanitation and hygiene. Okay. In developing countries, for example India, the women's choices of menstrual hygiene materials are often restricted or it's often limited by its cost or by the social norms or by the availability of the menstrual products. There is a limitation of these products, especially in the developing countries, for example India. MSD, Menstrual Hygiene Day, is an occasion for publicizing the information in the media, especially the social media. We have different platforms, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever it is. So social media, and to engage the decision makers, policy and programs. This particular day aims to advocate for the integration of menstrual hygiene management into a global, national and even a local policies and programs. Why it is May 28? Like May is the fifth month of every year. And the average cycle is for 28 days. And the average menstrual duration, the menses, is for 5 days. So that the relation is there for May 28. May is the fifth month and 28 is the day. 28 is the average day of the menstrual. It is from 20 to 21 to 48 km. So average 28 days and average menses is 5. It can be 4, 5, 6. So average 5 and average 28. So that's why May 28. That's a symbolic meaning of May 28. Okay. 5 days of menses and average menses and the average cycle of 28 days. Now, what is the significance of this celebrating or observing Menstrual Hygiene Day? It is to break the taboo surrounding the menstrual hygiene or the menstruation, to raise awareness about the menstrual hygiene in a different level, especially in the global level it is there. So anything, management worldwide, it is a worldwide observant day. So to raise the awareness about the menstrual hygiene is the important thing of this particular Menstrual Hygiene Day. Now, what are the objectives what this World Menstrual Hygiene Day keeps forward or put forward? It is first one to address the challenges that the women and the girls faces regarding the menstruation time. It can be due to anything. Earlier, it was like newspapers used to be used for the during the menstruation period. That was taught to be. And then we have whispers. We have now many things. We have availability of many products. Even in many countries, in many places, limitation of the products of menstruation is a problem. Like the cost can be a problem, availability can be a problem, the social norms can be a problem. So now it has reached to a different level. We have availability of many things, but still inside areas it's a challenging thing for a woman or a girls what they are facing during the menstruation cycle. To highlight the positive and innovative solution to face these challenges. Next objective, to catalyze a growing global interest that recognizes and support the girls and women's rights. Education can be given regarding menstruation. What exactly is menstrual cycle? So all those things are the objectives of one of the objective of World Menstrual Hygiene Day. To create an occasion for media work, especially in the social media. To engage in policy dialogues, decision makers, policy and programs. To mention about the management, the menstrual hygiene management, how good it should be. And even the policies like national and local policies programs. That is one of the objectives. So these are different objectives. The challenges to be faced, the challenges to overcome, the availability of the menstrual products, all those things comes, and mainly education, menstrual cycle. There are many people, even now also there are many people, they don't know about anything about menstruation. How much is the bleeding, when it is, what is the cycle, at what age it starts, what is menarche, what is menopause. So it is like average from 12 years or 13 years the menstruation starts, even 11 years also. 45 is the average menopause occurs. And menstrual cycle is average 28 days. It can be 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There is a range of things. And menses can be 4 days or 3 days or 5 days. So minimum basic thing has to be there. There are many, a long topic it is. It's menstrual cycle separately, a lot to tell about that. So that is a few of the objectives of World Menstrual Hygiene Day. Now at present, there are around 410 official partners related to this World Menstrual Hygiene Day. 410 official partners. In that includes many NGOs, non-government officials, as well as suppliers of menstrual hygiene products. we have right now in the place. We have washable materials. Now latest what we see is menstrual cups are available. Menstrual cups are available during the menses. It can be washed and used. So many washable products have been come into the markets. Okay, so that can be like, instead of whisper and all, it's like a, you have to discard that once you use. So menstrual cups, it's easy to use actually once you start using. You can wash it and use it again. So it's a washable product, and it is a cost friendly. You can buy once and you can use for few months. It cannot use for long time, for many years, but you can use for a couple of months. Depends on the quality again. Quality also makes sure. So these many things are there. So future is actually, regarding the menstrual products, we have a lot of things.